Hey everybody, good afternoon, N10Fit here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of this product here that is beard oil. I know it's something different for my channel, but I'm looking to spice things up a little bit. So today, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be testing out the product as well as going through a tutorial about how to use the product, what ingredients are in it, and what the ingredients are used for. Here's the product right here, and here are some of the flavors that I will be testing. One will be Sandalwood, the other will be Clary Sage, and the other will be Cedarwood. So let's get it cracked open. Alright, so it's very important to be taking care of your beard, taking care of your body, taking care of your overall health. My channel is focused on fitness and overall health, and what better way to do it than be testing out products and see how they work. Alright, so for the guys out there, this one's for you. Alright, so it's pretty simple. The bottles, when you open them up, it's like this, okay? Alright, and there's 3 different bottles inside. Alright, I'll show them to you. This one here is Sandalwood scent. It softens, moisturizes, and strengthens. Alright, got that there. Okay, and it's a 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliter bottle. This one, Cedarwood scent, soften, moisturize, and strengthen. All right, and the other one, same thing, soften, moisturize, and strengthen, Clary Sage scent. They are all 1 fluid ounce bottles, 30 milliliters, and they got those like little drop tubes. Okay, so this is Cedarwood scent. Cedarwood scent, and Clary Sage. Okay. Alright. So, some of the good ingredients in this that stand out to me and things that are pretty popular that I've seen in other products are argan oil. Okay. It's rich in vitamin E. It's used to moisturize, condition the beard, and promote new growth. I gotta be honest with you, my beard takes forever to grow. I've been growing it now for about 7 or 8 months, right? I mean, it should be more, right? I should probably have a beard down to here, like Santa Claus, but I don't, because everybody's body grows hair differently. It grows thickness differently, and it grows hair differently. So that's where we're at, all right? The argan oil has vitamin E in it naturally, and it's good for your skin and body, okay? Next one up is jojoba oil. Okay, this is used to strengthen the beard and promote beard growth, all right? This is very important, all right? You can see parts of my beard are a little less than others, okay? I got the full thickness here. Usually I have it wrapped around, but I actually ended up trimming a little bit the other day. And then on this side, a little bit more than the other. So some spots are lighter than others. Some spots have more thickness than others. All right, but the ingredients that are used in that are used to promote growth and promote beard strength. It's important. All right, naturally hair does fall out. You play with it. Sometimes you get drop-ins and whatnot, but it's important to have fullness and thickness in the beard. Okay. Some other ones that I'm unfamiliar with is something called squalane. It leaves your facial hair softer and shinier. All right. Nobody wants this ruggedness and like rigidness and tenseness to it. All right. You want to be able to. I'm always touching my beard, so I always want to be able to like touch it, and so it feels soft and it's natural. Okay. The last one is caprylic/capric triglyceride. This one acts as a beard conditioning agent, decreases moisture loss, and prevents dryness. Who wants dryness? Nobody. Alright, so let's get to testing testing the products out, okay? And then, let's do it, alright? Alright, so what I decided to do is that since I have 3 different sides that I would consider for my beard, I have the 2 sides here, okay? And then the bottom part, all right? And I'm gonna count my mustache too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try different scents on different areas, okay? Now, just so you know, after I read all those products to you, the argan oil, the jojoba oil, the squalene, and because I'm going to chop it up, the capric triglyceride, they're all included in all these products, okay? So everything that I told you is going to be in each of those products. The only difference is the scent, of course, or the flavor. I know I'm saying flavor like it's something that I can consume, all right? But make sure you are not drinking it. You're applying it and you're putting it on your face, all right? So here's the directions. It's very, very simple, okay? You're gonna twist it open, all right? Squeeze it a little bit, okay? This one is sandalwood scent, okay? I'm gonna come up just a tad bit closer, all right? You're gonna put it in the palm of your hand, okay? All right? And you're gonna drop just enough. I did about 3 drops, all right? You're gonna swirl it around, okay? Smells nice. And then you're gonna apply it on the skin, okay? You're gonna apply it on the skin evenly, on the hair, okay? On the hair. This is for your beard. It's okay if a little bit gets on your skin, okay? It's no big deal. I'm actually going to put a little bit more. All right, 5 drops. So in total I did about 8 drops, okay? And I'm just gonna make sure I get all the hair on the side, okay? All right. I'll go clean my hand a little bit. All right. Just wipe it with a little towel. I gotta tell you though, I haven't smelled anything yet, but the sandalwood is very light. It's not strong. It almost smells like after a piece of wood is treated, it has like that natural wood scent to it. Kind of smells like that. So that's what I'm getting there. Okay. Next up, let's see. We'll do cedarwood over here, and then I'll do clary sage on the other side. All right. So same thing. Okay. Like just squeeze and let go a little bit so you get this about this amount. Okay. Because you want to apply it evenly to your beard. Okay. And put about 8 drops in there. This is gonna go on the left side of my face. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I could already start to see shininess. All right. I really do feel it once I put it on. That dryness that was already there is already soft. So that's important to me. All right. And last up is the cedarwood scent. Okay. That's gonna go all over everything here. So the most important thing is that you apply everything evenly. Last thing you want to do is apply everything all over the place, and then you're in trouble. Okay. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that already, but that shine already. The shine is occurring. It's already soft. It's pretty amazing. I mean, generally speaking, when you put liquid on your hair, obviously it moistens, but over time, you know, is how you tell whether a product is good or not, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, I'm gonna come back in about a half an hour, and then I'm gonna let you guys know the outcome of my beard. All right, y'all. So I'm back. It's been about an hour time. Typically, I have really dry skin and my hair dries up super fast. But I gotta tell you, from the use of these products, and actually haven't used beard oil before, so didn't really know what to expect. You know, but I'm happy to report though that after this time, I still am able to smell the scent on my skin. It's very light. It's not strong at all. It literally smells like wood is after wood is treated. It has that nice natural scent to it. Honestly, probably my favorite one out of all of them would have to be, and it's probably because I have the most hair where that scent is, would be this one. Okay, it would be the Cedarwood, definitely. All right, and as you can see me talking, I know I got the lights blaring, but look, all right, it's still moistened. I haven't put anything more on it, and I haven't done anything like that. All right, I've gone about my day. Okay, still moistened. It is very soft, actually. I don't want to say soft, but it's not dry. Okay. All right. I'm hoping that over time that I will have continued beard growth because I'm looking to get some fullness. My name is Nicholas. Uh, I like to think that I can look like some Saint Nick sometime around Christmas time. So hopefully, continuing to use these products will continue to have thickness in my growth, will promote growth in my beard, and continue to keep my skin and my beard moist. All right. Just so you guys know too, basic instructions. Okay, just like I showed you, you take this out, you unscrew it. All right, it's like a dropper, like a tincture. Right, you push it, you grab an amount. Okay, I say grab because there's no measurement per se. I say grab about half of the tincture drop. Okay, and then put that into your the palm of your hand. Okay, you're gonna put it into the palm of your hand. You're gonna roll it around, and then you can apply it all over your face. All right. So you can apply it, and you want to apply it evenly. All right. Don't go, even if you do go throughout your beard like this. Make sure you still end up applying even over your skin. If you got to use a comb, a brush, whatever it is that you need to use. Okay. All right, so it's very simple. All right. Now, if God forbid any of this oil ever gets in your eyes, all right, it notes to please rinse with warm water. Okay. Only apply topically. All right. Don't be putting it in places that you shouldn't be putting it. Okay. All right. But listen, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. I appreciate everybody continuing to support my channel. Please make sure you like this video, leave a comment in the drop box, and I'll be leaving a description about this product and where you may find the product should you find interest in wanting to purchase the product. All right, I'm very happy with it, and I hope you guys are happy with it too. All right, and if you're not going to get it for yourself and you're a female watching this, get it for your boyfriend, get it for your husband, get it for your father, your grandfather, your brother. All right, get it for your son. All right, there's a lot of love to go around. Guys need love too. All right, but make sure you like, comment. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe below. Hit the bell so that you get all notifications. And again, I appreciate y'all. Be well, be safe. See you soon.